You go through the slide. All slides as uploaded in the teacher file. You can download from that slide from there also. And if you require, then I can also send you. But better you should download from TCSR. Okay. So first I start the recording. Now I am sharing the screen. Just wait. It is the screen share. Just wait. Are you able to watch my screen, my dear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. If you feel any point, any issue, please interrupt me. Okay. So today we, as per the LMS, we will start the introduction of the operating system. That is the first chapter of first module. So as tomorrow we discuss the regarding the operating system. So here in this module we will discuss the definition of the operating system, goal of the operating system, structure of the OS, evolution of OS, batch programming, multi-programming, time sharing and difference between them, operating system function, what are the main function of the OS and types of the OS. As we discussed last day during the practical classes, OS is a program or set of program that act as an interface between the computer system and user. How can they act as interface? Already we discussed. If anyone have any doubts or any query, they can ask to me. Then I will be give you the again example so that it will be easy to understand. If you have any query, otherwise I will move for the next slide. Hello, any query?
No, sir.
Thank you. Already I discussed the example of the OS, that is the Windows, Microsoft Windows, Linux, Unix and Mac OS. Already we discussed. Huh? So what are the function of the operating system? Actually, operating system organize and control the all the resources of the computer. Resource means including hardware. What is the goal of the operating system? As I discussed, the operating system control the all resources, means which resources are the ideal, which resource will be provided to the which process, how much resources required by the process, when the process will be release the resources, then how can process collect that resources, or the resources which is released by the process, that resource will be utilized by the which process, that all information are kept by or controlled by the OS. So first function is the control, second is the execute the user and application program. What do you mean by the user and application program? Any idea, my dear? Hello. Any idea?
Yes, sir. Audible. Sir,
So
repeat the question.
here I am discussing the user and application program. Include the user or application program. What do you mean by this statement? What do you understand? Can you give the example? Everyone know when we write the any program using the C or the Python or Java, that after the coding we should compile and run the program. Then who will control on that program? You will be share as a compiler, interpreter, but overall control by the OS. Okay. When we want to run the any media player, that also controlled by the OS. Next, make the computer system convenient to use. Tell me, what is the meaning? What is the meaning, my dear? Make the computer system convenient to use. What do you mean? My dear, if you have no answer, don't worry. You tell na simply, sir, please you discuss or you specify. Yeah, you give the answer. Nothing issue. Have you any answer or I will reply?
So it is user friendly.
Yeah, it make the user friendly. But can you give the one practical example? Every day, if you on the system, you know. Just give me the example. Suppose when you switch on your desktop or laptop, what is the first person? After the switch on the power in your laptop or in your desktop. Tell me, my dear. You are in the third year, no? What is the first function of the computer or desktop laptop after just switch on the power?
Sir, Windows.
We are not able to hear you. Can you repeat, please?
Sir, Windows 10.
1 minute. Good morning, sir. I am in the class. Can I call after the? Hello. You have here the name of the booting BIOS.
Yes, sir.
So first, when switch on the power, that check the through the BIOS and booting key, all hardware that are connected with the system, they are okay, and software are the okay. There is any missing file, yes or no. That is checked by the system. That is also handled by the OS. That we can say the BIOS. What is the full form of the BIOS? What is the full form of the BIOS?
Basic Input Output System.
Yes, my dear. Yes, correct. Everyone should know that what is the basic BIOS. If anybody asks to the in the interview, please tell me the full form of the BIOS. Then what you will reply? You should have the knowledge. Okay, no issue. E is the solving of the user problem. You know, when we write the program, just we give the data and we get the output in a very, very, very short time. Use the computer hardware in an efficient manner. Means there is a important role of the operating system. Means suppose there are four processes, okay, and there are the three resources, that is the printer, hard disk, or any other system. The four process want to print a document. The which process will be allowed first, and when a process will finish the task, then how can that resource will be allocated or utilized by the another process. These all function is handled by the operating system in a efficient manner. Means they arrange in this way so that we can get the maximum throughput. What is the meaning of the throughput, my dear? Hello. What is the meaning of the throughput? When I discuss, please listen to me. If I say a word that is the not understood by you, please interrupt me. So this you use the throughput, but I am not able to understand the meaning of the throughput. Please tell me, sir. Simple. I will be reply you, my dear. Until I am not able to give the proper answer or not able to clear your query, you can ask the question. I will reply you. Okay. So what is the throughput? Throughput means maximum output. How can we calculate the number of the tasks completed in a unit time? In a unit time, that is the throughput. The maximum value of the throughput will be get when we complete the maximum process in the time. So throughput equal to number of the tasks or number of the process completed divided by the time. Okay, my dear? If you require any query, then you can ask, and when we start the discussion of the process, and there I will be repeat again throughput. Okay. When we discuss the process scheduling, that time their point throughput will be again repeated. So this is the throughput. Next is the what are the service provided by the OS. First, they provide the linkage between the header file, editor, compiler, debugger, and interpreter. Second, after writing the code, we should compile. The compile means creation of the program. Then we go for the
Sir,
yes, my dear.
sir,
Yes,
sir,
my dear.
আপনি কি yes sir, are you changing the PPT or because we are only seeing the introduction to OS?
I already shared changing. I am in
No
the
sir, we are
six
not
number
able to see.
slide.
No sir, we are not able to see that. We are only on the first slide.
Why?
So now it's changed. Now it has changed.
1 minute, my dear. But why not it happening for them? 1 minute. Are you able to see watch?
No sir, no screen share.
Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Now you are able to watch?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now sixth slide.
Yeah, 6 number slide. So that is the program execution, and after that access to the input output file, that you know that when we start the program we add the some header file, and that is the edit to the system during the execution of the program and compilation of the program. Okay, 1 minute. So this is the abstract view of the system. The middle part of the operating system, that is the act as an interface as per the definition of the operating system. Upper layer is the user layer where we write the program. So, and we also compile the program. After the compilation or program, we get the machine code, and that is the handled by the computer hardware, means computer system. And between the hardware, computer hardware and user, there is a operating system that is the set of the program, which is act as an interface between the user of the program and hardware of the system. So this is the abstract of the computer system or OS. If you have any query, you can discuss with me earlier. There are very simple part. There are 3 layers. First layer for the user, second layer for the operating system, and third layer is for the machine. Hello. Your voice is not audible, my dear. Some noise is coming.
Sir, he is telling that. Yes, sir. He is telling that. আপনার ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড থেকে স্যার একটু আওয়াজ আসছে, ওইটাই বলছে স্যার।
But I am in the pool. Nothing. Why background noise? But I am not able to hear the background noise. Are you able to hear any noise?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. The sound coming from the fan, sir.
Fan, na? Okay.
Yes.
Just 1 minute. 1 minute. Now it is okay, my dear?
Yes, sir.
Good. Any query, my dear? This is the graphical structure of the operating, just application program, system program, operating system and hardware. Yes, my dear.
सर सर्विसेज प्रोवाइडेड बाय एन ओएस हम लोग को शो हो रहा है.
Why this happening? I already changing the slide.
No, the slides are not getting changed.
Now you are able to watch.
No, sir. No.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now it's come. No.
But when I
Yes,
go
sir, yes,
for
sir.
the slide show, that time you are not able to watch the screen.
Sir, for slide, so you.
Yeah. Now you are able to
Sir, when
watch.
you.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
8th slide. Structure of operating system.
No. That is the slide number 9. Structure
now
of the
it's
operating system continue. আমি just
Now it's nice.
ক্লাস করে তোমাকে ডাকছি। হ্যাঁ ডেকে নিচ্ছি। ক্লাস শেষ করে আমি ডাকছি, হ্যাঁ? Hello.
Yes.
Now it is okay, my dear?
Sir. 9th slide.
Yeah. Hardware, you know. What are the hardware you know in the system? That is the CPU, main memory, input output device, hard disk, motherboard, processor, RAM, ROM. These are the hardware. And software? Tell me the software. Software of the operating system, my dear. So whatever the process, when we write a program, write a code, that is the program. When program start to execute, that is the process. So when I discuss the process, that time I also define you what is the definition of the process, what is the definition of the program, what are the basic difference between the process and program. Okay, that I will be discussing now. Right now, can you tell me the updated version of the operating system? Name of the updated version of the operating system? Tell me the name of the window. Hello. Please tell me the name of the updated or current new version of the operating system.
Windows 11, sir. Windows 11.
How many students are agree? Your voice is not audible, my dear. Hello. Anyone, please tell me. Hello. Are you able to hear me, my dear?
Yes, sir.
Android OS is 11 released in September 2020. Okay. And now we are using the Android OS 12. Okay. So please go through the technical magazine. You will get the maximum information from there. So what was the first Windows name? Can you tell me?
Windows XP.
Windows XP. After the this operating system.
স্যার লেটেস্ট ভার্সনটার নামটা কি ছিল না বলবেন স্যার?
My dear, your voice is not audible. I am telling to you, not a. Okay, can you tell me the what is the first Android version operating system name and in which month of year it is invented? Can you tell me? First version of Android OS. Hello. Suman, are you able to hear me? Anyone please reply to me.
Android 1.0 sir.
Android 0.1 is the okay, I understand. In which year? The Android 1 2000?
8.
2008. Sorry, 2008.
Which month?
September or October.
September. Officially released in the month of the September 2008. Whatever, that is the Android version. Can you tell me when the Microsoft DOS operating system is invented or released?
নাই আসানসোল দুর্গাপুর হয়েছে যে হ্যাঁ হয়েছে
My dear, please reply my answer. If you are not able, you tell me, I will be reply to you.
কলকাতা যাবো বলছে ভালো
Suman,
কলকাতাও নাই Yes, sir.
please reply my answer, my dear. When MS-DOS means Microsoft DOS operating system comes, in which year? Tell me.
Sir, 2006.
1985, sir.
1981, sir.
Are all of you using the Google?
Yes, sir.
That is not correct, no, my dear. If you have no answer, you can say that, sir, you reply. I will be reply you, my dear. Please note down. MS-DOS in the year of the 1981. The Windows 1.0 to 2.0 is come between the 1985 to 1992. Windows 3 and 3.1 comes 92-94. Windows 95, first Windows 95 come in the year of 95. Then we have the another Windows that is named as the Windows NT 3.1 that's come in the 1993, and this updated version 4.0 comes to the 1996. Windows 98 comes June 98. Windows ME. What is the meaning of the ME? What do you mean by the Windows ME? Windows ME means Millennium Edition. That's come September 2000. And same time we have the another window that is the Windows 2000 in the month of the February. Windows XP comes October 2001. Windows Vista November 2006. Windows 7 October 2009, and after that Windows 8, 10, 11. Microsoft for the macro operating system for the server and mobile devices. For the first Windows Server March 2003, Windows Home Server January 2007, Windows CE November 2006, Windows Mobile April 2000, and Windows Phone September 2000. These are the types of the OS comes as per the updation in the software, that is the year wise. This is also called the evolution of the OS. Now there is a flow chart. OpenSOAP, what was the idea, who is invented, batch programming, multi-programming. time sharing operating system, concurrent operating programming, personal computing, distributed system, that are the designed by the different company and all are given in it as a tabular form. If you have any query, you can ask right now or anytime. Now, what is the batch processing? What do you mean by the simple meaning of the batch in your language? Please tell me, my dear. Hello. Tell me, my dear, please. The batch processing system work as an operating system. Batch processing works as an operating system where batch processing system means to grab all type of the programs and data in a batch form, then process to the process. Main motive of using batch processing system is to be decrease the setup time while submitting the similar job to CPU. Are you able to understand or I can repeat?
Sir, repeat it.
Yes, my dear. The batch processing system works as a to grab all types of program and data in a batch form. Okay, then process to the process. The main motive to use the batch programming to decrease the setup time or you can say the burst time while submitting the similar jobs to the CPU. So if I have the addition function in a different place for same value, then it will be give the direct output. So when we grab the all the process and data in a batch form, then execution time is decreased. Means brush time is decreased. Because if same time equation, suppose I write a 2 plus 3 multiplication 5 for one process. Again, I write 3 into 2 plus 5. So already in the first equation, I have performed the task 2 plus 3. So for that second equation, we don't require to perform the 2 plus 3. We directly paste the output of the previous equation. Because in first equation, I already processed the output of 2 plus 3. So directly 2 plus 3 will be replaced by the output of 2 plus 3 in a first equation. Are you able to understand, my dear? If no, then say sir no. I will give you the next example. Hello. My dear, please tell me. Shuman. Yeah,
Example.
yeah. When I perform the any task, okay. If I write the equation, suppose here I am writing the equation, just here 5 plus 7. Okay. Then I have the minus 2 multiplication 3. Okay. And again I have the one another equation. 4 multiplication equal to 5 5 plus 7. Okay, my dear. Now for the first equation, our system already performed the 5 plus 7. What is the result of the 5 plus 7? I call you just after 5 minutes. 5 minutes. I am in the class. Just I call you after 5 minutes. 5 plus 7. What is the output? Suppose
12, sir.
12. So when I perform these tasks, all tasks is stored in a accumulator or register. When we go to the microprocessor, this semester you have the microprocessor? Yes or no? So there we can learn how can program. Suppose in a register A, we store the value 5 plus 7, that is 12. In register B, sorry, we store the value of 2 into 3 means 6, and in R equal to A minus B, that is the 6. So when I perform this task, that is replaced by like that 4 into where I store the value of 7 plus 5 plus 7. Please tell me.
So in A.
A. So that is replaced by the A. A means 12. So directly we can write the 4 into 12. Means if I use this, then our brush time of the process or execution time of the process will be decreased. Because further, for the same equation or for the same task, we does not need to perform the task again, because we already have stored the value of that process or that task or that assignment. So directly we can replace that equation with the value which is calculated in a previous equation. Are you able to understand? Your concept is clear or you have the doubt? If you have a doubt, please ask me again. Please reply.
Understood, sir.
Anyone have any query? My dear, anyone have any query?
No, sir.
No. So today, this is the final decision. You can download the my PPT from the LMS and you can discuss with me anytime. Okay. For the book, you can download the PDF of the ebook of the Galvin. If you don't have any books, please send me the mail key. I require this book of this writer for any subject. You send me, I will forward to the library, and library will be provide you all ebooks as requested by you. Okay, my dear.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
If you are not able to get my point or if you are
Thank you,
not able
sir.
to understand, my request to all of you, please directly you can contact to me. Okay.